Google just gave AI video a steering wheel. Veo 3.1 adds native audio and real scene control inside Flow, and today we test whether it actually beats Sora and Runway for control and speed. If this is faster to a publishable result, it could replace your stock B-roll and cut a full edit pass. Stay with me for a two-step play you can publish tonight, plus a side-by-side verdict designed to save you hours this week. Want the live build next? Subscribe now so you don't miss it. 1. The tipping point you've been waiting for. For years, AI video lived in two realities. On one side, jaw-dropping demos that trended for a day. On the other, editors who couldn't rely on those tools when the calendar said, "Upload by Friday." The missing link was control. A prompt could hint at a look, but it couldn't guarantee a shot. You might roll 10 generations, land one lucky keeper, then rebuild your timeline around it and lose momentum. Channels don't scale on luck. They scale on repeatable decisions that protect a visual identity from intro to outro. Veo 3.1 arrives with that production truth in mind. The headline isn't prettier frames. The headline is alignment between sound and picture, wrapped in flow controls that match how editors think. You're no longer forced to accept whatever the generator hands you. You can start from references, bridge from a chosen first frame to a chosen last frame, and extend the moment you already like. Those moves sound subtle, and they're exactly the kind of subtlety that raises watch time because viewers feel intention instead of randomness. Distribution finally fits how teams work. Flow is the hands-on timeline where you shape light, insert elements, and keep ambience in step. The Gemini app is the sketchpad for fast ideation. The Gemini API, paid preview, lets developers wire Veo 3.1 into repeatable pipelines and later govern them on Vertex AI. That alignment matters because it means a solo YouTuber and a studio can speak a common language, then scale the parts that make sense without switching models midstream. Why should you care right now? Because growth rewards consistency more than novelty. When your opener looks like your brand, viewers settle in within 3 seconds. When transitions read like designed beats, the episode feels authored rather than patched. When audio and motion agree, the brain spends less energy resolving friction and more energy absorbing ideas. Veo 3.1 with Flow is built to reduce that friction. It lets you steer with references, compose with frames, extend with intention, and polish with light. That turns a promising tech demo into a tool you can run every week without gambling your calendar. In 30 seconds, I'll share the quickest tweak that erases AI seams most creators miss. 2. The feature set that actually moves the needle. Control beats fidelity when you're on deadline, because predictable retakes publish more. Ingredients to Video turns a mood board into motion with sound. Provide up to 3 reference images that capture palette, subject, and texture. Flow blends them into a coherent shot, and Veo 3.1 pairs it with matching ambience. The payoff is identity and speed at once. If your references anchor your look, you can reproduce the feeling again and again while refreshing details. Quick win. Turn 3 reference images into a 10-second opener in under 5 minutes once your kit is set. That's how you build an opener or interstitial that feels uniquely yours instead of dropping in a generic template. Frames to video is the craft move editors will lean on. You hand Flow a first frame and a last frame, then describe the camera journey you want. Veo 3.1 synthesizes the move and carries audio with it, so the cut reads as a decision rather than a bandage. Close on a soldered chip, rise into a skyline, slide to a desk with a prototype waiting. The viewer senses intention, which is another way of saying they sense a human behind the choices. Reality check. Expect this to remove 1 to 2 re-rolls per transition because the bridge is designed, not guessed. Scene extension solves the most common pacing problem in a timeline. You found the right moment, but it's too short for the paragraph you need to deliver. Extension takes the last second of your clip and grows it to a longer sequence while preserving look, rhythm, and ambience. One extended shot can comfortably cover 1 full VO paragraph without loops or visual resets. That feels calm and confident to the audience and buys you time to land a point without grabbing stock. Lighting and shadow edits are the realism lever. Nothing exposes an AI insert faster than light that doesn't belong. Flow gives you contrast and shadow controls so a generated shot can sit next to your A-roll under the same LUT. Fixing that seam is what turns an interesting experiment into a publishable sequence. Fast check. Does your insert match shadow direction on your A roll? If not, fix it here. This is the #1 AI giveaway viewers notice first. Object insert is the cleanest way to guide attention without shouting over the frame. Place a product on a table, float a UI panel in a display, or tuck a logo into background signage. Flow blends the element to match lighting and shadow so it reads as part of the scene instead of a sticker on top. Use inserts to reveal ideas, not to decorate. Object removal is slated to land next. Background reconstruction that erases distractions will become a default cleanup pass if quality holds, the way dust cleanup became routine in photography. Veo 3.1 also ships as Veo 3.1 Fast via API for quick iteration. Sketch options, test prompt phrasing, decide faster, then switch to the standard model for final look. Rough it in, lock it in, ship on time. Quick head-to-head. Veo 3.1 versus Sora 2 versus Runway on control, audio, and edit speed. Control, flows, lighting tweaks plus object insert make on-brand shots easier to land on a schedule. Audio, Veo 3.1 couples ambience with motion by default, reducing patchwork fixes later. Edit speed, frames to video and scene extension cut re-rolls because you bridge and extend inside one lane. Need long photoreel sequences well beyond a minute? Sora is still the benchmark to watch. Need publish-ready intros, transitions, and branded B-roll this week? Veo 3.1 Plus Flow is the fastest path to consistency. Want my exact prompts and settings? Comment Veo Flow demo, I'll pin the full pack. Seam eraser promised earlier, align shadow direction and contrast before you export. Smallest tweak, biggest believability gain. 3. Turn features into Flow tonight. Build a branded cold open in under 30 minutes. Choose 3 images that shout your identity. Run ingredients to video for 10 to 12 seconds and tune lighting to match your A-roll. Export, tuck it under your hook, and save the settings as a preset. Next week, change one reference to refresh texture while keeping palette and subject language. After a month, you'll own a set of openers that feel consistent without feeling repetitive. Target. Produce a 10-second opener in under 5 minutes once your kit is dialed. Design chapter transitions that carry momentum. Grab the last frame of segment 1 and the first frame of segment 2. Use frames to video to request a gentle push or a confident slide, and ask for a subtle swell that respects your sonic motif. Because audio and motion travel together, the transition reads like a choice. Momentum carries through the structure and retention curves flatten across the seam. You'll feel it in comments too. Viewers describe the episode as smooth rather than choppy. Extend B-roll when an idea needs time. Take the last second of a shot you like and grow it to 20, 30, or 40 seconds while ambience remains coherent. That gives you a steady bed for a complete paragraph of voice. Plan cadence around extension lengths so your voice and image breathe together. Micrometric. For most channels, one extended shot is enough to cover your longest explanation without tempting a cutaway. Tell product stories inside the shot. Generate a workspace that fits your brand. Insert the device, screen, or prop, and adjust shadow density so it sits naturally. When the message lives in the world, the frame feels calmer and more premium than a lower third yelling for attention. You're managing focus by design. If removal lands at quality, use it as a quiet cleanup pass to erase distractions before export so eyes go exactly where you want. Build micro montages that sell ideas under 20 seconds. Use ingredients to video for 3 beats that embody problem, tension, and solution. Bridge with 2 frames to video moves, then extend the final moment just long enough for a clean logo and simple CTA. This format is perfect for trailers, sponsor mentions, and shorts where pace matters more than detail. It works because viewers feel an arc rather than a list, and arcs are what memory grabs. Scale a channel look with a tiny kit. Save reference sets for palette, texture, and subject. Save a prompt that describes lens feel and tempo. Save a default lighting tweak that matches your LUT. With those 3 assets, new AI inserts will land inside your identity on the first pass. You'll spend less time cleaning edges and more time tightening ideas. Pause and list your 3 brand references. Palette, subject, etcher. You'll reuse them weekly. Blend AI with live footage when coverage is thin. Identify a spot where a cut feels abrupt. Generate a bridging shot, match light to your camera, and slip it between takes. If removal ships at quality, tidy stray distractions inside flow before export. Micrometric. These adjustments typically save 1 to 2 re-rolls per timeline and prevent the classic patchwork feeling that hurts watch time. Which play will you test first? Openers, transitions, or VO beds, and why? 4. What pros notice first? When rhythm and motion align by default, editors recover hours otherwise spent smoothing seams. Professionals recognize when a tool replaces duct tape with design. That's the story here. Sound is no longer an afterthought. The same features that build scenes now carry ambience, which means rhythm aligns with motion by default. And editors stop smoothing fractures and get back to shaping meaning. That saves time, and more importantly, it saves attention for judgment, where humans win. If you track process time, expect a soft but real reduction in fiddly fixes after you adopt these controls. 5. What comes next, and how to prepare. In 60 seconds, I'll give you a simple decision rule that prevents 90% of scope creep on AI-assisted edits. Decision rule. If the shot must carry more than 60 seconds of continuous reality, test Sora. If you need publish-ready intros, transitions, and branded B-roll this week, run Veo 3.1 with Flow. Coming next, a live timed build of an intro plus transition so you can see exactly how fast it ships. Here's the truth. Tools don't tell stories, people do. But when tools finally give people control, the stories get sharper and the schedule gets kinder. Veo 3.1 with Flow lets you build from references, bridge with intention, extend with confidence, match light with taste, and place objects with purpose. Soon you'll erase what doesn't belong and keep moving. Do one exercise tonight. Make a 10-second opener with ingredients to video, then extend one clip to carry a full paragraph of voice. Want my prompt pack and settings? Comment Veo Flow demo and I'll pin it. And for the deep dive, watch next. The Veo 3.1 versus Sora control test with a live timed build. Let's keep your edge.